Today we're selling our 1978 Mercedes 280 SE 2.8 liter inline 6 dual overhead cam. As you can see, the car is in really good shape. Get a little closer here. There is some areas here where the clear coat is peeling. Let's kind of take you around the car. Inspection, tags, everything is good till next year. All the glass is good. It's really a nice year model. Has the European bumpers. Side of the car. Now the worst part of rust is right here. Bubbling up. Show you the interior. You can also see on the hood of the car where the clear coat's peeling. Here's the interior. Look at the ad for better lit pictures of the interior. But in really good shape. We replaced the interior about 2 years ago. I have another 280 SE. The car is a great daily driver. We drive it every day. Runs strong. No mechanical issues that I can really talk about or tell you about. There's a decent dent here, and the piece of trim is missing as well where the dent is. But other than that, the body's straight. No rust, except for that one spot. Good tires. All in all, it's a highway-worthy car. I would take it on a road trip any minute. We have. Go ahead and fire it up for you. Like I said, runs great. Has cold AC. It had the original compressor up until about 2 years ago. Developed a leak, so we replaced it with a NOS compressor. So you can hear the load. Even with the load on the engine, it runs great. Cold AC. Bi-level. Defroster. Everything works. Go ahead and put it into gear. So it's a really good running car. Take it for a short little trip around the block. Oh shit, there's my dog. Stupid dog. Already up to about 60. This thing does haul butt. Gonna let you hear the engine run from here. Go ahead and turn the AC compressor off. And make a U-turn. Makers work. runs at temp. I don't know if you can see the gauges. Oh shit. Brakes work. And we are back. Anyway, like I said, really good running car. The AC kick on. If you're interested, give me a call, 409-939-2433. Don't think it will last long. Go ahead and show you under the hood real quick. This might get a little jumpy, hold on. Under the hood. I'll go ahead and fire it up one more time. Shit. Anyway, there it is. No smoke out of the exhaust, burns clean. No leaking rings. Timed right. Valves are good. Clean again coming out the back. Running cool. Again, if you're interested, 409-939-2433. Oh yeah, the horn works.